we?
We're at the York Fairground.
Yeah. What do we have?
Yeah. We got a gaggle of handsome men here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very handsome.
Yep.
Yes. Yep. CeeHazz.
And then we have.
And this is CeeHazz.
Jackass.
Jackass.
There we go. He's off running.
Shit. You got a train.
It's got a nice horn.
Where is it?
Right there. It's coming right there.
Oh, I see. Explain to us what we're looking at here, CeeHazz.
So, we have Lionel, Santa Fe, and New York Central F units from, I believe, the post-war period.
The post-war? That's a long period.
It's from 1946 to 1970 something, or 1969.
Sick. There we go.
We should need like a B-roll of this.
State of Maine. $100. Jeez. We need some more information. CeeHazz. What do we have? What do we have?
It's a coal unloading thing.
Yeah.
The car drops the coal down there, and then it'll go onto a conveyor belt onto a ship.
Yeah, what kind of ship?
A cargo ship for carrying coal.
Damn.
Yes.
What size tubes are these? Standard gauge.
Yeah, anything big is standard, I guess.
No. Not if it's...
What kind of train is this?
That takes the cake for the most expensive thing I've seen.
It's pre-war Lionel standard gauge.
Awesome.
How much is that? Oh,
2,400.
yeah.
For this one on top?
Yes, right here,
that's
24.
about right.
That's 24.
That one's also 24.
Yeah, it's 24 as well. I'm pretty sure all the engines are 24. Oh no, this one's 16.
Wow, what a bargain. I mean, this
hit the pre-war, right?
That means they were manufactured pre-war?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Jesus.
it's like
these are over almost 100 years old.
Yeah, they're antique.
They're either pre-war or post-war.
Yeah. Can't really blame them.
Pre-war. Yeah,
that's a big difference.
The 763 is.
Let's say post because it's less, maybe. Right?
I don't know.
No?
I don't remember.
Okay.
If it was post-war, it'd probably be cheaper.
Post-war is not all of the dates after World War II.
No.
Post-war is like specifically the 40s?
The 40s, 50s, and early to mid 60s.
What's after the 60s?
The MPC era.
NPC era?
MPC.
NPC trains. When they became chuds.
They got bought by General Mills.
Screw my chud train life.
That's the zinger.
That's gonna be the intro. The 742.
You can always count on me
for good zingers.
You can always count on me to know what I'm looking at.
Yeah.
Everything about anything.
Yeah, you count on me to ask the most juvenile, just unnecessary questions of all time. What is this one?
What is this train?
What is this one? New York Central Railroad. Dunkirk Harbor. $70. Good deal. Oh my goodness, it's an airplane.
Yeah. It really flies.
It really flies. What is that?
What is that?
What is this thing?
It's a 440.
Oh, there's planes go in the ceiling and they spin around.
Yeah.
Is that what it? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see.
It really flies.
Local train expert.
Wicked spread. We got an armored car.
Yeah.
Car on the flat car.
We got a boiler.
Look at my notes.
Right. What do we have here, Patrick?
That's a big train.
What is this big train famous for?
It's famous for its order at McDonald's.
What do they order at McDonald's?
2 number 9s, a number 9 large, and
What do we got here?
Some
trains.
inexpensive locomotives.
What does inexpensive mean in this hobby?
Well, this one's $18.
That's actually
22.
Yeah,
that's pretty good. It is pretty good, honestly. Yeah.
They're plastic, mostly.
Yeah. They're not made out of like cast iron or whatever.
Die-cast metal.
Die-cast
Zinc.
metal.
Yeah.
Or brass. Or sheet metal.
Yeah. Yeah, the prices on this would give a Warhammer fan a heart attack. Those guys will spend, me when I spend millions of dollars on silly little army men.
They don't even shoot.
They don't even shoot.
At least the trains can go choo-choo.
Yeah. At least a lot of them have like actual motors.
Yeah, all of them pretty much.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Alright, let's...
Done in this building?
There's like another half of the building, I
Yeah,
think.
there is.
Also, we didn't make it over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
we didn't make it to that corner. We almost did, but we came back over.
See how the vlog does. What do we got here?
A Union Pacific Big Boy,
Wow.
4884.
How much is that?
$1,200.
Don't think it.
It's made out of brass.
It's proper brass.
It costs less than your trombone.
Yeah?
And your trombone doesn't go choo-choo, does it, Michael?
Trombone isn't
Yeah, it does not go
isn't that a
choo-choo.
precision piece of
It's not a
machinery?
precision-
Well, you can make your trombone go wah, wah, wah.
That is true.
It's not a precision instrument.
That's a fantastic price.
Yeah. For this?
$950 for this and all of these cars.
Oh, that's pretty good, yeah.
That's actually very good. What?
I'm pretty sure these cars are... No, they're plastic, I think.
Hey, $750 for this and all those.
Oh, yeah, I would take that deal if I had the money.
Yeah. Actually, $700.
Oh yeah, 700. Yeah.
50 off.
Yeah.
CeeHazz.
CeeHazz. What do we got going on over here?
Over here, we have some much newer Rogan stuff.
Yeah. Like this?
Yeah. Some brass.
Good, nice.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah.
The Union Pacific 844.
These are very nice. This is like sleek trains.
Yes. This is a Pennsylvania Railroad Q2 duplex.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what that means.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Oh my god, we got
4, 6.
Starbucks cup, dude.
Oh my god, $250.
What does that cost?
This is how much they're charging for Starbucks now. This is truly Biden's America. Oh my gosh, it's the Australian train.
What?
Somebody put the Australian paint on it.
Somebody put it in
Somebody-
Fortnite and had Midas touch it.
You said
Yeah.
Australian.
Yeah, that's
They did,
Australian,
I
yeah.
thought you just said Australian.
No,
So what
dude.
they did was they just didn't paint it.
Dude, what do you think about Australian railroads?
They're pretty cool.
Don't they have like different gauges for
Yes.
like every state?
Got
they've
got
been
narrow gauge, they've got standard gauge, they've got cape
They've
gauge,
been
they've
trying
got
to-
broad gauge.
they've been trying to
So
fix
dumb.
it for like 120 years and they still haven't.
They built steam engines that could change gauge specifically.
It's awesome. Just
So dumb.
you know, treat the symptom. Don't fix the source. Spend more money on unnecessary innovation because it's cool. Superliner.
Transition speaker. What is this?
Michael, what are we looking at over here?
I'm looking at all these babies.
Tiny
Yeah.
big boy.
Do you tell us anything about these?
Well, this is yellow, and
Yeah.
it's blue.
Yeah.
It also has wheels. This is awesome.
It also
Yeah.
says Alaska on it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I like the Alaska.
Alaska Railroad.
I think
Oh my
I've
gosh,
seen that one in real
Coca-Cola.
life.
I don't think you have 400 though.
I don't have $399.
I got a
Always try
couple.
to haggle.
I don't got a couple bands.
Do you know why the majority of these are Lionel?
For a while, they were the biggest manufacturer of O-gauge stuff. And then other competitors showed up. Some of them got bigger and then disappeared or got smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's stuff everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. B17.
B17.
And an F14.
Oh yeah.
Drop a band on that.
We'll drop a band on the bomber. The jet bomber.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice. You mess with big boy trains?
I just haven't watched him.
Starting beef out here.
We're starting beef
I don't want to start no beef.
at the train building with
MPC Blue Comet.
oh yeah. We're starting.
Before we move to the next building, I want to check it out.
Okay.
Right now, try to make a poiches.
Oh yeah.
Make a poiches.
What financial decision are you making today?
Don't these look nice?
They do.
I like the little graffiti.
They look the opposite of nice, so they look really nice.
Yeah, I like the graffiti.
They look. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's actually
They're,
accurate.
like fantastically weathered,
Yeah.
which is why they're double.
CeeHazz. If you found the Donald Trump engine, would you purchase it?
Yes,
go get some lunch.
Do you think it's gonna be here?
maybe. It was here at the last one. They had one last year.
Yeah. Why didn't you buy it then?
I didn't have money for it.
You have money now then?
I've got 2 bands.
You got 2 bands of money?
I got 2 bands to drop on a decent.
May I have your attention?
What are you looking at here?
I'm looking at this Hudson right here.
Hudson?
Yeah. It says New York Central on it, and yet everything about it says not New York Central.
What is suggested instead?
Maybe Great Northern,
Great Northern.
because the New York Central, they didn't have the air pumps up on the front like that, and they didn't have the headlight mounted right on the pilot.
I gotta see this.
They usually have the headlight centered on the smoke box.
Oh yeah, what the hell? That's
The
very
air pumps on the side.
yeah. Very strange.
Yeah.
Wow. 700E.
Oh.
Very unique.
Oh.
Is that That peak.
somebody bastardized a 700E.
And then they called it rare?
Yeah, well, they're already rare.
Yeah.
See, this is a Great Northern engine, and it's set up similar to that.
Yeah, it's set up very similarly.
Well, I guess you wouldn't call it a bastardization. Somebody, probably in the 40s, decided, I want to style this my way.
Yeah.
Which makes it pretty cool.
Yeah. Give more credit than it's not bastardized. I mean, we were talking about custom trains earlier.
Right. I take back what I said. I rescind that statement and
All right. What do we have here?
I don't know.
Cars.
We got cars and spools of wire, spools of rope. Books.
Big boy spinning around. So we're in the Purple Hall right now. There was a bit of an outage.
Charlie did it.
I did not do it.
Charlie's fucked up the
That
power.
is not correct.
It is correct.
He turned into Electro. You should have seen him.
Get out of my shot. The lights are off. The layouts are halted. Get out of here. Ewalker 17 Gaming. It's a cool layout. Whose is this? This is the Fordham Creek Railroad. This guy, he's hitting the pose of a sad boy. This goes hard. And here we have a wild Ewalker 17 gamer.
Lionel themselves came out saying that every 6 to 8 feet you need to do a power.
This is the Eagle Line Railroad.
I see some lights on.
They've got a triplex, however you choose to say it.
It's kind of sad that not going.
Yeah.
I don't know why they can't.
Something about the transformer, they said. They've got not one, but two Donald Trump locomotives on this layout.
Donald Trump, let's go, Donald.
I do not endorse that message. Nah. Somebody cooler. They've got the Cozy Cone.
Let's rock, Donald.
They got Lightning McQueen.
Let Donald Trump win. And need a lollipop?
You can even suck you want. So, what would normally be running isn't. It's a cool setup, nonetheless.
You have to thank for all of this.
CeeHazz.
Who do we have to thank for all of this?
CeeHazz.
I don't think so.
You did the power.
I did not do the power.
You did.
I saw you take an axe.
This
to
is
the
all
power
your
line.
Don't do that. This is all. Ew. Yeah. This
No.
guy.
What?
I don't know.
You just standing.
You standing here. I was mistaken before. Not one, not two, 3 Trump trains on this layout.
This guy.
What's our plan, Charlie? I gotta get this for the camera.
I'm gonna buy a caboose.
How much is?
So the caboose is at 50 right now. I'm gonna try to haggle him down to 40.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Maybe even, hear me out on this, free.
No,
I don't think that's gonna happen. These guys know what they have.
they know what they have.
They know what they have. They will be no low ballers.
It's a brass caboose.
Okay. In my opinion, it's an ass caboose.
Wow,
Too bad.
that guy.
That guy, that's his world, dude. You can't. That dude has nothing else.
He has nothing else but his brass trains.
Yeah. So you can't just scam a guy like that.
I don't want to scam a guy like that anyway.
Exactly. Because you're a good man.
$50 for an all brass caboose is not a bad price at all. I don't think it's lighted, but it's still nice.
Yeah.
Nice and heavy.
Nice, heavy brass caboose. It's really nice, right?
It's really nice. Nice.
And frankly, I think it's a really nice price for it as well. We're going to make the purchase. Go in there.
Make this purchase.
So
Get out of there. Drive to the fireworks.
We'll go to Bendigo.
Gonna go to Bendigo, get fucked up on some V-bait.
Gonna get some fireworks.
Get some fireworks.
Gonna go to
Get a fucking
play. Gonna buy some
kill some
Cards.
daft cunts.
I need to cripple my addiction even more.
I need to buy 15 packs of cigarettes. Chain smoke all of
Only
them.
15.
Only
That's pussy
one
numbers.
carton. No, I'll buy 15 cartons of cigarettes.
Still pussy numbers, mate.
What are you smoking,
What are
mate?
you on
20.
about?
20 cartons? How many
Yeah.
cigarettes in 20 cartons per hour?
As many as I need them to be.
As many?
Yeah.
As many as you can fit in your mouth.
As many as I can fit in my mouth at the same time.
I got a 500 adapter, mate.
I got 500. I 3D printed it yesterday.
500 cigarette adapter, mate.
500 cigarettes.
500.
Hey guys.
I'll smoke
me.
all of them.
It's me, CeeHazz.
If I
Hey,
look,
Shut the fuck up, CeeHazz.
look, I saw this tweet. If I ever saw a minion in real life, I would make him smoke an entire pack of Marlboro 100s.
Just become the most evil person that you get all the minions right, and then you put them all on smoker.
And you get them all addicted to cigarettes, and you have them serve big tobacco, which is the evilest thing in the world.
I think it's an amazing plan.
Actually, I don't know who would the minions work for. Netanyahu, Joe Biden,
CEO of Nestle.
the CEO of Nestle, the CEO of Marlboro.
Marlboro Reeds.
We're gonna get the uncut video of purchasing the. You can barely see because it's pitch black. It's very dark in here.
It is. It's okay, we're on the way to make the one and only purchase, so that's the only footage you need.
Yeah, it's the only footage that we need. Yeah. You gotta be careful.
Somebody bought it?
Somebody bought the Trump train.
Somebody bought it. Okay, so where was that? The guy was like, what, all the way back there? Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Did you get it? Camera cannot focus because of the light.
It's okay, it's fine. We gotta power through it.
We gotta get through this. He knows what he wants. He knows where to get it.
Yeah, I put that post on stuff. There it is. That's it.
Joe Biden. Joe Biden, I need you to restore American rail at once. You have lost my vote.
The wall was totally black, and it was Sunday about 1 o'clock.
I live in Townsville, North Queensland, but you have lost my vote.
one back. I'll take this Southern Caboose.
All right.
Would you take 40 for it?
That's a question for him once he's done.
All right.
Ooh.
I've got a box.
Okay.
Brass.
Yeah.
Nice one.
I've been needing to get a Southern Caboose.
Yeah. Cool. I grew up in Alexandria. When I was a kid, the Southern Yard was still there.
Yo, what's up?
What's happening? How are you feeling?
Good. Also hungry as well.
Yeah, we need some food expeditiously.
Yeah.
You know, I don't think he has any D&O stuff. He does have this, he has both in 2-rail.
It's gonna hold up. All right? I'll stand behind it. All right? Okay, 45. That works. All right?
Look at that.
We got the haggle.
There you go, Charlie.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
Hey, Charlie.
There you go. What do we have?
What do you got?
I've got a Williams O-scale brass caboose lettered up for the Southern Railway.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
There you
That's
go.
it. That's all we needed.
I'm
That's
winning.
all we needed.